Nako, magseselos yung baby ko nito. Hey, Gigi! Yummy, baby. Uy. Yun. Parang di pa ako ready sa langit. Assuming. Bakit? Manifest. What's up guys? Benedict here. It's been a while! Sa mga DJI users dyan. Focus. It's been a busy week. Ngayon ko lang nalaman, itong case nung camera ko. Dito talaga kinakabit yung mic pala talaga. Ayan o. Kaya nagtataka ako. Sabi ko pauso nung iba to. Nakabit nila dito. Ginagawang microphone. So I feel like ito talaga yung purpose niya. Mga virtual ninongs and ninangs. First dental appointment ni Pao Pao kahapon. It was a nightmare. I mean, masaya ako na first time in his life nakapag-visit siya sa dentist. And yung dentist namin super duper bait. Hands-on and patient with kids. I don't think love ni Alec talaga yung toothbrush time. Kinot ko na yung video kasi after nun, nagwawala na po yung bata! Tinuro sa amin ni Doc, the right way of brushing his teeth. Medyo kailangan mo pa i-restrain. So, hawak ko yung paa niya. Tapos nakaganyan siya kay Doc. Doc was brushing his teeth. Yung iyak niya yung parang, yung ganun. Sobrang naawa ako. Grabe pala pag nakita mo yung anak mo na sobrang umiiyak. Sakit sa heart. At the same time, alam mong kailangan niya yun. So, tsura ko nun talagang petrified. What have I done? In-encourage ako ni Doc na mag-brush 3 times a day si Alec. Ako nga, di ako nakakatingin. I'm trying my best and we'll see. Ayoko dumating sa point na matraumatize si Alec, but we'll see. Anong ulam? Sarap. Gusto kaya ni Pao Pao? Gusto yan. Steamed egg with giniling. Sa akin. Chicken and egg.
Chop choy.
Cauliflower. Chinese chop suey.
Ito isda.
Okay na. Okay na.
Aloho, kinining oh.
Nice. Naked collagen first. Empty stomach. Ito ko lang po na-compare nyo from before. But mas yung ko ngayon. Mas plump. Yun nga lang, kailangan talaga consistent. Hindi pwedeng once a week, every other day. Pinapractice na namin mauna kumain para pag feeding time ni Alec. Ganun daw yun mas magiging patient yung nag-feed kasi well-fed na siya. AKA, come here. So wala nang pait. Gusto ko yung mapait. So. Giniling with egg pudding. Ayaw na kasi ngayon ni Alec ng bland. Gusto niya may lasa talaga. Konting lasa. Mix natin. Wow.
Just keep swimming.
May mangga ba? Gawa ako ngayon. Gawa tayong ensalada. Indian mango. Itlog na maalat. Ano makulang? Pagong. Onion. Ay, urol. Is that my son? Is that my son? Hey! Good morning! Ala, wait. Ala, wait lang. Naghihiwa ako. Oh, sub tayo ate. Tingnan mo yung kagat ng lamok sa pisngi, oh. How was your sleep? Tagal na. Are you hungry? You wanna taste the mango? Yes? Oh. Gusto niya to dati. Pinakain ko siya nito eh. Favorite ko yung pag bagong gising siya. Sobrang clingy and sweet. Huwag ka nakakain ng dog food Layo-layo ka dyan sa tita mo.
Lagi niya kinakain yan.
Ay. Alec, where is Papa? Yes. Where is Papa? Can you say Papa? Walk to Amma. Yay! Yay! Ay sus. Later. Ayaw malis. Are you a koala? Oh, ate. Kidnap. Wait lang!
Parang halos isang linggo na ako silent sa Instagram. For some reason, buong Holy Week, I decided to just not be active. And sobrang saya. I fathered so hard. May ko mga events na hindi na-attendan, pero okay lang. Parang feeling ko, graduate na ako sa ganun. But at the same time, parang feeling ko kailangan ko ibalik yung mga pag-OOTD, ganun. Just simple things to make you feel like you're doing something for yourself to be happy, ganun. Hindi na rin ako masyadong nakakapag-TikTok live. Bukod sa busy, parang hindi ko gusto yung feeling na may money involved. Ano yun? Ayoko yung feeling na parang namemera. And kaya always ko sinasabi sa mga vampires, never spend for me. Kasi happy na ako na na-appreciate natin yung isa't isa. I appreciate making you guys feel happy at times and vice versa. Hindi nyo kailangan mag-spend. Siguro sobrang simple things lang like subscribing to a channel or following on Instagram of your favorite artists. It really means a lot. Like ako, I earn through the trust of the brands that I work with. Mga ganun. If you want to support, it would mean a lot to subscribe and follow our Instagram.
Ate muna magpapakain. Focus eating, focus. Ay sus. Pawikan. Naniwa ako. Nagustuhan mo ba yung last time?
Oo, kinain.
Siyempre, pag ako gumawa, masarap. May ganung feeling, di ba? Pag nagluluto. Pag ikaw nagluto, masarap. May share ako sa inyo guys, but please don't judge me. This is something I don't think I've ever opened up before. And if I have mga viewers dito na super agnostic or atheist, skip nyo na lang this part. Something really weird happened to me last week. Saturday siya. It was Holy Week. Black Saturday ba tawag dun? You know, I am not a very religious person. I believe there's a higher being, but I don't believe in a specific God. I feel like lahat ng mga sinasamba natin is just a medium to connect to a higher being. Something like that. So I think that's my belief ever since. I neither deny or affirm the existence of God. Kakatapos na namin mag-workout nung coach ko tsaka si Lionel, may makeup artist, na kapitbahay ko din. After gym, we went to a restaurant and we talked about life. It was a holiday, so wala masyadong tao. Somehow, napunta yung conversation namin sa nakatulong daw sa mental health ni coach yung pagiging faithful niya kay God nung nag-surrender siya kay God, kay Jesus. So tinanong ko, how do you really surrender yourself? When you say surrender, what does it mean? Gets ko if you surrender yourself for the love of your life, for your partner, ganyan. But to surrender yourself to something you don't see physically, it's hard for me to imagine. So sabi nilang dalawa, actually is very hard to explain. But one thing is for sure, mafe-feel mo siya kapag na-surrender mo yung sarili mo. May sense naman yun. Malalaman mo naman pag na-surrender mo yung sarili mo. Hindi lang nila ma-articulate and hindi ko lang din siya ma-visualize. Kasi in my lifetime, I have met a lot of people with different religions. May mga na-meet ako dati na sobrang aggressive mag-impose na kailangan believe ka nito kundi mapupunta ka sa hell, ganyan. Tinanong ko sila, so ibig sabihin na to, pag namatay ako tas di ko nakilala si Jesus, nakilala si God, mapupunta ako sa hell, ganun. Kasi di ba yun natin yung belief? As explanation nila sa akin, hindi to verbatim, based on what I remember was, in this lifetime, if you're doing everything out of the goodness of your heart, out of love, then you're a good person. Parang at the end of the day, it leads everyone to a spiritual fulfilling. One of our purposes in life is knowing what true love is, spreading love, and doing everything out of the goodness of our hearts, out of love. And Jesus is love. It was a very simple statement, but I was touched. May sobrang simple niya, pero parang may konting lumabas na luha sa mata ko. And siguro I was also impressed dahil na-feel ko paano sila na-mold ng upbringing and religion nila. They did not try to contradict me. They did not try to invalidate me or force me into believing something. And that means a lot. Kaya na-open yung topic na yun kasi alam ko sa sarili ko, okay lang naman ako na hindi ako sobrang religious. But there are times that at the back of my head, parang, what does it feel like to have a strong faith? Masyadong naging serious tong topic ko, sorry. But yun yung pumapasok sa isip ko. If you know me as a person, I have zero knowledge about Christianity, ano ang Bible, sino-sino yung mga nasa Bible, blah, 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 blah. I have zero knowledge. I got so curious that I wanted to know more. Parang humaba na ng humaba yung conversations namin. May point na tinanong ko sa kanila. Alam mo, may mababasa ako sa TikTok, ganyan, na parang, I talked to God the other day. And I was like, how is that possible that you talk to God? But the way they explain it to me, you will know, you will feel it, you will feel the Holy Spirit. Natutunan ko rin yun sa kanila, yung Trinity, ganyan. Parang, iba yung na-feel ko sa heart ko for the first time. Parang gusto kong umiyak. Pero walang sadness, walang happiness and all. It's just that kind of feeling. And just basically wanting to know more. Wanting to be enlightened, ganyan. So habang nag-uusap kami, ang dami na namin napag-usapan about sa Vatican, ganyan. Ang dami daw evil spirits. Doon, di ko alam paano napunta doon yung conversation namin. Pero as we were talking, literal, nag-blackout. Nawala yung kuryente sa lahat, pati sa buong street. Yun yung topic namin. Alam nyo naman, sobrang duwag ako sa ganun topic. Pero that moment, nung nag-blackout, wala akong kaba, wala akong gulat. Parang feeling ko, may nag-guard sa akin. Wait, how do I explain it? Parang feeling ko, kung i-relate ko siya sa isang actual experience, para siyang meron akong kaaway na tao, pero kampante ako na safe ako dahil nasa likod ko yung parents ko. Bumalik na yung electricity, time is up na, we had to go home. Bumalik na ako dito sa kwarto, preparing to sleep. Walang pumapasok sa isip ko, kundi mag-research ako. I didn't know where to start. Nag-chat GPT ako. Apparently, there's Old Testament and there's New Testament. Anong nangyayari sa isang church? Sino nagli-lead? And I got a little tired, so I decided to just, go to sleep, and I closed my eyes. My heart really wanted to know more. Nausap ko yung sarili ko, sort of like a prayer. To God or to the universe. If you're listening right now, I just need a sign, any kind of signs, in 60 seconds. Wow, nag-timer pa. Ang kapal na mukha, may pa 60 seconds pa. Kahit ano namang signs yan, may tumahol lang bigla sa labas, ganyan. It was already 1 a.m. that time. So, Sunday na nun. Sabi ko, give me any sign if I should seek. So, I counted 60, 59, 58. The last thing I remembered was 52. I remember so clearly, 52 potions. I don't even know if I was falling asleep, if I fell asleep, but I remember the feeling naka-close yung eyes ko. Pero hindi siya complete darkness. Para akong nasa dental chair. Sa dental chair may ilaw, di ba? Kahit nakapikit ka, mafe-feel mo yung light. That's what I felt. And then I felt relieved, lighter. Goosebumps ako just thinking about. Alam ko sa sarili ko, nagbibilang ako eh. Biglang nawala yung bilang ko. Para akong biglang lumutang, ganyan. And I think I got my sign. I can't believe I'm even saying this. Kasi ako feeling ko, may enjoy ko naman magbasa ng Bible and to know all the histories, ganyan. Because I love reading. But I am scared na if natapos ko lahat ng stories, my mind would take it as a fiction. It would feel like I just read Game of Thrones, ganyan. But let's see, at the end of the day, if I don't agree with it, if I still cannot embody it, wala. Is it safe to say that I just entered the new spiritual journey? And I'm also sorry if I bored you guys with this segment. I just wanted to share.
Ayaw mag-sleep, Pag ayaw mag-sleep daw, kiliti sa kilikili. Are you asleep? Sleep or no sleep? Ay. Let's go. Come on. Apple. It is apple. Apple. Can you say pomegranate? Hirap naman agad. Can you say orange? Can you say watermelon? How about this? Lion. Lion. Can you say hippopotamus? Ang hirap naman. Oh my gosh. Rhinoceros. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Bear. Bear. Chimpanzee. And deer. It's time to sleep. The end. I have my new baby. This is my new baby. Can you say hi? Nako, magseselos yung baby ko nito. This is Alex Pinsan, Jasper. Jasper is 9 months old. Dami namin bisita today. Gigil! Anak ng pinsan ko. Siopaw. Siopaw tawag sa'yo. Ikaw siopaw. Isang pawpaw, isang siopaw. Pabuhat siya sa akin kasi kumain siya ng blueberries. Best friends na kami. Tulala, ako lang nag-e-enjoy. Pansinin mo naman ako. May baby. Parang nagagalit na siya. This is Shoti. Look at Shoti first. Look at Shoti. Alec. Wala nakikinig na baby.
Alec, what is this? Na-miss ko yung ganitong edad. Yung hindi pumapalag. Anak ko palag na ng palag na yun eh. Okay na lang to. Ay, sus. Gagawa na ako ulit. Alay. Nonchalant lang to si Jasper. COA. Sorry. Sabi mo, Shorty. Ahiyakya, Shorty. Gano'n. Can you say, Shorty? Hindi. Ano yun? Put it on your... Ayun lang. Hindi ko kaya dalawa. Jasper. Shorty, Chin. Ahiyas. Ay, wag. Grabe naman. Pinasok ang kamay sa tenga ba? Pinsan mo yan. Hindi mo makukuha. Ay, nakuha. Ay, kinain. Wait lang. Puro laway na yung lens. Parang dahil kong gustong sabihin dito sa vlog, pero ang haba na ata niya. Actually, hindi ko alam kung gaano kahaba yung gusto nyo na duration ng vlog. Nung time kasi dati, mga 10 minutes, 15 minutes, ganyan. I'm not sure if longer yung gusto nyo ngayon. There are a lot of things that I really want to share. Let me know. The other day, diba, nag-TikTok ako neto. Engagement! Hindi, ano yan? So, diamond ring, diba? And then I realized, a week ago din, nag-enroll ako sa isang class. This year kasi parang I have been really considering to be a gemologist. Pero this course that I took, siguro almost a year yung duration niya. It's a diamond class. Then I also enrolled in a jewelry essential class. I'm really excited to start. Siyempre, part of the reason why is gusto ko, aside from content creation, meron din akong backup or pwedeng isabay. Something that I'm also interested in. I realized I am really into jewelry. Hindi ko lang siya madalas pinapakita sa vlog ko kasi I really don't want you guys to get the impression na parang flaunting everything on social media. But at the same time, it really is the intention. And at the end of the day, you can enjoy whatever you want with your hard-earned money. Don't judge others and don't judge yourself. Diba nag-i-invest ako ng mga branded jewelry na hindi dapat laging ganun. I have this Cartier, Bulgari, Cartier. Recently, I've been really into diamonds. That's why I took the course. Hopefully, I can do something in the future and offer quality and affordable jewelry or engagement rings to people out there. And since it's my 7th year on YouTube, #SeBen, I'm gonna be having a meet and greet soon for 200 packs lang siya. But I really wanted it to be intimate. Mag-a-announce kami sa Vampire Squad IG. Like all the details there. But the meet and greet would be on May 17th. Ano yung na-realize ko rin kanina? Meron akong kaibigan, sabi niya, patingin naman ako ng parents mo. Sabi ko, sige, tingin-tingin ako dito. And I realized, lahat ng nasa phone ko, puro picture ng anak ko. Since si Alec lahat, photos, videos. I don't even take selfies anymore. I don't even take random photos or document my life with my parents, ganyan. Ganun tayo, no? Kapag may something na bago sa life natin, whether anak, love life, sobrang focus tayo na hindi natin nabibigyan ng attention yung mga existing things or people that we should be celebrating with or we should appreciate every day. Hindi lang si Alec yung nasa mundo ko ngayon. Kailangan ko pahalagahan yung family ko, mga friends ko. O diba na-realize ko dahil walang pictures sa phone ko kundi anak ko. It's really hard to be in the right headspace to tell yourself na I should appreciate everything. Not until you look for it. Diba? It's so amazing. Simula ngayon, I just wanna take random photos. The sunset, the food that my mom made, kung ano itsura nila ngayon, silly stuff. I wanna start doing that. Maybe you can start doing it too. May shoot ako today. Alam na niya. Papa is going to work today. We're gonna do a photo shoot and you need to behave. Behave at home. Behave. Kunyari, ano? You're not sleepy naman, no? Puro kagat, puro thumbs up. Ball? Where is the ball? Wala pa nga. Pipilit talaga niya. Tingnan yung pa. Nakatipto na. You're my drum na. Walang pakialam. Kunyari, tulog. Tingnan niya natin kung tulog. Pawis. Baon of the day. This is chicken breast, eggs, dumpling. Thank you, Mom! Woo! This is the bomb! Naked. Oh my God. Nakalimutan ko inumin muna. Delicioso. I'm so thankful for my mom. I'm just really grateful because my mom really loves preparing food for us. So minsan, instead na isipin namin yung food, ini-insist niya na lahat siya. Thank you so much. Especially for Alec dahil to effort siya magluto. Kailangan yung mga kinakain niya. Bone broth, ganyan. Everything made with love. Also, grabe. Di ba nagkwento ko ng spiritual journey ko? After 2 days, I saw the news na nawala na yung Pope. It's very sad. And grabe yung nangyari this Holy Week. Hindi ko alam. I really feel like someone has been communicating with me. Or like I'm being drawn to something. Ganun. So, agenda ko this year is to explore Catholicism. Janica, hi! Nakailang retouch na siya. Kinakain ko daw yung lip balm. Lip balm? Lip tint. Thank you. Hi guys! Hello! Bilobat ka na. Hindi pa ako nagcha-charge, sorry. Done with the shoot and I am home. Shh. Hello. Hello. Where is my son? Lumabas daw sila, naggala. This is my favorite time of the day. Yung maglalakad-lakad kami. Kasi sobrang init ngayon. Ito lang yung hindi mainit na time. Sana nagpunta na ba? Hello, pangalan niyo?
Miel po.
Miel, tsaka si Franz. Sabi ko sa kanila, nakita yung anak ko? Sabi, andun po. Sure kayo baka iba yung nakita nyo. Ayun, nakita ko na.
Palagi po namin pinapanood yung TikTok.
Ay, salamat. Ayan sila, napakalayo naman ang pinuntahan ba? Napakalayo naman ang pinuntahan nyo! Paano kayo napunta dyan? Ala! Gusto nyo Habolan Hi! Ay sus, I miss you. Grabe naman, nagpahabol pa. Hiningal tuloy ako. How was your day? Chim. Saan kayo galing?
Dito.
Ay, hingal ko naman.
Lang kasi ang baga niya maglakad eh.
Nalunok yung laway mo. Na-shoot sa bibig ko. Di parehas kami hiningal ngayon. Saya-saya mo naman today. Lakad ka na. 1, 2.
Ay, kabayo.
Slowly. Aray ko. Kulit. Ay. Ha? What is that? Bird, yeah. Uy, may bird nga. Galing. May mga bird flying around. Kita niyo ba? Tuwan-tuwa. Akala. Inutom mo lang ako eh. Saan punta? Where is Papa? Yan. Can you say Papa? Ay sus. Sige na, magbabay na tayo. Grabe hingal. Bye-bye guys. Kita-kits next Monday. Tatyan.